Setting up Card Guard How-To. A+ Card Guard is our free debit card security app designed to help you keep your funds and card information safe and secure. To get started, download Card Guard to your mobile device from the iOS or Android App Store. This app lets you manage your cards remotely. To set up an account, tap the bottom of the screen to get started. Then follow the prompts to enter in your card information and register your account. From the main menu, tap Settings. From here, you can view your profile and set up Face ID. Read the terms and conditions and click Agree. To select which notifications you'd like to receive regarding your card, select Card Controls on the home page, choose the options you want, and click Save. If you've misplaced or lost your card, use the Suspend Card feature to protect your account. To unlock your card, visit the same screen and select the same button. Only do this if you've located a lost card. To select specific alerts, visit the home page and choose Alerts. Select the alerts you want to enable by tapping on them. Easily add multiple A+FCU debit cards by tapping the plus in the top right-hand corner. Enter the card information and select Add Card.